You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this word in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons more for you at the end of this video. The British English pronunciation, the way it is pronounced in the UK, is partial. Pa, a long pa sound. Partial. Yes, I know there's a T in the spelling, but it's more like SHL, shul. Partial. The American English pronunciation, how to pronounce in the US, partial. Partial. Stress on the first syllable, always partial in the US, or partial. British English pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.